How do front-load washing machines differ from top-load washers? Have you ever wondered what sets front-load washing machines apart from top-load washers? Let's break it down so you can make an informed choice for your laundry needs. First, the design and loading methods are quite different. Front-load washers have a door on the front that swings open, allowing you to load clothes horizontally. This design is great for saving space, especially if you stack the washer with a dryer. On the other hand, top-load washers have a lid on the top that opens upward, letting you load clothes vertically. This design usually takes up less horizontal space and makes it easier to add or remove clothes during a wash cycle. Next, let's talk about how each type cleans your clothes. Front-load washers use a tumbling action in a horizontal drum, which is gentle yet effective. This method mimics how a dryer works. In contrast, top-load washers typically use an agitator or an impeller. An agitator is a central post with fins that moves clothes through water, providing a vigorous wash. However, it can be rough on fabrics. Impellers, which are low-profile rotating discs, offer a gentler wash by rubbing clothes against each other. When it comes to water and energy usage, front-load washers are more efficient. They use about 7 gallons of water per load since the drum fills only partially. This tumbling action cleans clothes effectively with less water. In comparison, top-load washers often use between 13 to 19 gallons of water per load, as they fill the drum fully. While newer high-efficiency top-load models have improved in this area, they still generally consume more water than front-loaders. Cycle times are another point of difference. Front-load washers usually have longer wash cycles due to their cleaning method. This can lead to more thorough cleaning. Top-load washers, however, tend to have shorter cycles, which can be a plus for busy households needing quick laundry turnaround. Now let's consider how each type treats your clothes. Front-load washers are gentler, reducing wear and tear on fabrics, making them ideal for delicate items. In contrast, top-load washers, especially those with agitators, can be harsher on clothes, potentially causing more damage over time. Capacity is also worth mentioning. Top-load washers often have a larger drum capacity, allowing you to wash bigger loads in one go. Front-load washers may have a slightly smaller capacity but can be stacked, which is a big advantage in limited spaces. Drying efficiency is another area where front-load washers shine. They typically spin faster, extracting more water from clothes, which can reduce drying time. Top-load washers may leave clothes wetter, leading to longer drying times. Lastly, let's talk about price and convenience. Top-load washers are generally more affordable upfront and allow for the convenience of adding clothes mid-cycle. In contrast, front-load washers usually have a higher initial cost but may save you money in the long run through lower water and energy use. In summary, front-load washers excel in water efficiency, gentle fabric care, and space-saving design, while top-load washers offer faster cycles, larger capacity, and easier loading. Your choice will depend on your laundry needs, space, and personal preferences.